Gap City, B-Dub, Africa, the rest of the world. What's going on? And welcome to another episode of The Juice 2.0. I appreciate you so much for stopping by. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided, you know what? Let's hang out with TK and let's find out which guest does he have today. And before I jump into who I have today gracing this podcast, I need to tell you that we're coming to you all the way from Protea Hotel. That's Protea Hotel. Master Square. Big shout out going out to them for sponsoring us with the venue. It's always a great time when we come over here. So check out their website, their social media pages for some of these amazing promos that happen during the week. And my boy AD is going to put out some of these pictures as well, some of these flyers that you need to just check out to see what could you get on with your lovely friends, with your family that happens at Protea Hotel. And I need to give a big shout out going out to my sponsors for this episode. Unapologetic Statement. These guys are amazing. They've moved from Protea. No. They've moved from Master Square. They're now in the Northgate Mall. You guys know it, opposite Setlua right there. It's cross over the road, and that's where it is. Go check out their t-shirts, their pants. They got nice caps, they got nice shoes, swag, fit. Everything that you see me wearing on these episodes is everything you can find there. So don't say I didn't tell you. Big shout out going out to the biggest sponsor for this episode. I am my biggest hype man, though. You know what I mean? And today's episode, ladies and gentlemen, it is a long time coming. I'm so happy that we're working together. And these guys are amazing. They're just in the building, in the country, all over the world, making sure that your properties, your cars, your houses, your businesses, even your health is insured. Without further ado, to introduce the general manager, Coverlink Insurance Botswana. How about you put your hands together for the amazing, wonderful, really beautiful lady who has actually been my friend. We met together at church, and the rest is everything that is happening right now. Hey, Refilwe.
Oh, thank
Hi.
you so much.
How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you, Tiki. How are you doing?
I'm fantastic. I'm just so happy that, this thing happened about a week or two. No. 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I was in your office and we said, look, there might be a relationship that we need to, start forging between the Juice 2.0 and Coverlink Insurance. And I said, guys, I'm so happy you reached out to me because I'm super excited to put out brands like you guys out to the world, sort of introduce you and just to let Botswana, who is sitting at the Botswana Kolapeng, know what's going on, with Coverlink Insurance. But please, man, introduce yourself. Who is Refilwe? You're the general manager, Coverlink Insurance, but just in your
100%.
own words, how would you like to introduce yourself to B-Dub?
You want me to introduce myself as Refile or as the general manager, or you want me to introduce Coverlink Insurance?
So for now, let's do Refilwe as just Refilwe.
Okay.
And then you could even tell us, where do you come from, the village. And then you introduce to us who you are as the general manager, and then Coverlink as well.
All right. I'm a young person with a multifaceted approach towards life's challenges.
Right.
I believe that working selflessly with joy, peace, love, happiness.
Life feels normal until it suddenly isn't. From the warmth of family moments to the confidence of a life on track, everything can change in a heartbeat. A hospital stay, an unexpected legal issue. Not planned, but very real. That's why Coverlink offers medical cash plan and legal insurance, so you're supported when it matters most. Coverlink agents are now available at the Zimbabwe Embassy in Gaborone. Visit our CVG offices or get in touch online. Coverlink. Be ready for life.
Is what I am, Refilo, the general manager for Coverlink Insurance. I have 13 years experience, from the industry, from the insurance industry.
Yeah.
So I've been around for quite some time.
And then you have Coverlink Insurance.
Yes, 100%.
Tell us a little bit about Coverlink Insurance. I will confess this and tell you that I only started knowing about you guys last year. Only last year. And then when I started doing the research, it seems you guys have been in existence for a while.
Most
but please tell us who you guys are.
All right. Thank you so much, TK, and thank you so much for having me. All right.
Right.
Allow me to take you through a journey that describes strength, a journey that describes reliability, and a journey that describes trust. And that journey is Coverlink Insurance. We've been around for over a decade.
Oh.
Yes, operating as a long-term insurance broker.
Right.
And we are dotted everywhere in Botswana, in most parts of the places in Botswana.
Right.
All right. Last year we got a license to operate as an insurance underwriter. So we are now an insurance underwriter in the short term.
Guys, come on, really? You got a lot of haters in this. So
Yes.
only last year. Congratulations.
Thank you
man.
so much, TK.
Yeah.
We really try. Hey?
Yeah.
At a glance, I can proudly say we have underwritten over 20,000 active policies from June up to now, and we're still continuing. Wow. Yes. And I can confirm to you right now that we take and accept each and every risk. It doesn't matter how big or how little it is, because we pride ourselves with the backing of the reinsurance partnerships that we have established, right? And we have established a very number of reinsurance companies in Botswana and even outside Botswana.
Wow.
So we are the girls we think we are.
Yeah, you the girls you guys think you are.
Yeah.
Is it just girls at Coverlink Insurance?
Not just saying, it's just the same.
I love it.
Yeah.
Just take me through the process of getting a license, right?
All right.
Because I know a lot of people don't understand how grievous that, process can be. Was it easy for Coverlink Insurance to get that license? Was it hard? What are some of the things that you can tell us about that process leading up to getting the license?
No, the process was not easy. I can confirm that. We started doing the whole process from Jan last year, and we only got licensed in June.
Wow.
Yeah, so it wasn't an easy process,
but
we managed to thrive in June. So we are good in that space.
Lovely.
Yes.
Was there like a celebration? Did you
Yeah,
guys pop some champagne?
We shall.
Oh, it hasn't happened yet.
Yeah, we shall definitely pop some champagne after this.
Yeah, and you know who to invite, right?
Most def.
Let's talk about something that is always at the back of every person's mind. At least that's every person that wants to know about insurance. Some that are even insured by other providers. What separates Coverlink Insurance from other insurance providers that you have come to know in Botswana or even beyond our borders?
Coverlink Insurance believes in its first client approach. We prioritize our accessibility, we prioritize our affordability, and we prioritize in the fast service that we provide, all right? And then at the core of everything, we have education that we give freely to our members, to our clients. We do education to our clients so that they could understand fully what they are insured for. So that's what Coverlink does. At the core of everything, we set ourselves apart from that. Remember, we also have the tailor-made solutions, to suit the clients at their point of needs.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's something we'll get into during the course of the episode as well. Tailor-made
solutions.
That's beautiful, because then you're customizing everything to your customer.
Exactly. Whatever you need, we do it for you. We simply meet you at your point of need.
That's beautiful. So accessibility, affordability. What was the third one again?
Fast service.
Fast service.
As well as education. We educate our clients.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that they can know what they have taken insurance for.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you say fast service, man, I am super pleased. My heart just started smiling. Because you know what most people really suffer from, Refilo?
Yeah.
In B-Dub, and I've come to notice that in some other places outside B-Dub as well. Service is just so freaking slow.
Yeah.
Like, what are we doing, guys? You know what I mean? And you get to these offices, people are on their phones. You get to these offices, you need a feedback by 2 weeks ago. You get there, you're told, system is down. You know what I mean? It's like, guys, what are we doing? So I'm really glad that one of your core cardinal solution giving things is to be fast at your services.
Most def.
I also want to know from you, Refilwe, with insurance, right? I'm like, Coverlink Insurance with just 1 year. What is the aim for Coverlink Insurance, and how do you guys seek to make a difference?
All right. Our mission is very simple, yet ambitious. All right. Actually, they say great companies are made by design. So we simplify that by ensuring that insurance is accessible to everybody.
Okay.
Yes. Insurance is understood by everybody.
Yeah.
So we make sure that everyone is having, accessibility to what they have insured for, what they are insured for. For example, these tailor-made products that I'm talking about is at the core of what we really want to achieve, as a company. So our mission is very simple, to make sure that insurance is accessible to each and every policy
person.
holder.
And the education part, I love that part as well. In your experience so far as the general manager and just as a company as a whole, what have you noticed to be some of the...
Boitumelo thought her job was secure until it wasn't. She signed an employment contract that was later breached by her employer. Now facing sudden termination without notice, no benefits, no pay for the long hours she had worked overtime. With no idea where to turn, she felt powerless until Coverlink stepped in. Our Coverlink legal insurance ensured she had a lawyer. She received fair compensation. Her employer was held accountable. Don't wait until it's too late. Get Coverlink legal insurance today.
Discrepancies as far as education is. Do people know the things that they need to know about insurance at all? Or are we still a bit, backward or skeptical? I know what is the English? The people that are skeptical, they are if you're a yes. Hey, the what?
Skeptical.
No, a person who is a skeptics. Skeptics, yeah. All of us, we must write. So the people that I know in my life recently, as I get older, we start talking about insurance. It could be over a glass of wine. It could be over a beer. Like, yo, bro, are you insured? You know what the first response is always? Man, nah. It could be, it's very expensive for a few people that I've heard, or people that just don't know what it is. What has been some of your experiences as Coverlink?
People believe that, first of all, we want to scam them. Yes. So as a new player in the market, we have a very, very difficult time trying to explain to our policyholders that, we are so legit. This business is authentic. Remember, it has been operating as a broker, for over a decade. So it only changed last year to become an insurance underwriter. So the people feel that we are scammers. Others would feel that we are selling fear. So these are some of the challenges that we come across when we sell this insurance products.
Please educate me. You need to enlighten me on this point, Refilo. You guys were insurance brokers.
Yes, long-term insurance brokers.
Long-term. And now you have become insurance underwriters.
Short-term.
Short-term. Yes. What is the difference there? What for a person who's sitting at home is like, yo, what is that? What are we talking about? How can you separate these two?
Okay, long-term insurance is when you get your insurance policy for long-term, your whole life.
Yes.
But short-term insurance is when you insure your asset. The long-term means life insurance, right? Basically, this is not renewable every year. Okay. So you take it for the whole life. But short-term insurance is insuring like your assets, things that are going to be renewed, every year at anniversary. So that's the difference between long and short.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So what needed to have happened for Coverlink to migrate from short-term to now long-term? What did you guys consider? What were some of the determining factors to say, guys, we've been doing this for too long. Maybe now it's time that we move to this other side of the game.
We did that because we needed to grow. We need, at some point, as a person, as a company, as a business, you need to grow at some point. Yeah. So this was growth for us.
I love it.
So simply that we just wanted to
grow.
Yeah, we were tired of receiving, of collecting what you call commissions, commissions and whatnot. Now we collect premiums. Ooh. So basically, this is what we managed to. This is what we are here for. Yeah. We were tired of collecting commissions. Now we want to collect premiums.
Premiums.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I really love that for you guys. Growth is very important on an individual level, even as a business. Now the really interesting stuff.
Yeah.
Products. Because everybody wants to know, including me, that is part of the Juice 2.0 family. What are some of the products that Coverlink Insurance is offering both to individuals and businesses?
All right. Thank you so much for that question.
Yeah.
We
Oh,
offer-
you are so formal.
Yes,
Thank you
I
very
need
much
to
for this.
appreciate- I need to appreciate that.
I appreciate it.
Because I didn't think you get here.
Right.
All right. We provide a motto for individuals and commercial business, in the commercial and the individual business, and then we provide liability. We
Right.
provide transportation. We provide medical cash plan and goods in transit.
Yeah.
So these are some of the core products that we offer at Coverlink Insurance.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much almost everything that a person needs to be covered, right?
No, we have a lot. We have agriculture. I'm talking about the ones that we are providing currently.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, let's run that one more time. So transportation.
Yes. We have transportation.
Yes.
We have liability.
Liability.
We have goods in transit.
Goods in
We
transit.
have property. We
property,
have
yeah.
yes. We have property. We have motor.
Vehicle.
Yes, your vehicles and for both for commercial and personal lines.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys have pretty much covered the crucial stuff for now, right?
Yeah.
So what are we looking forward to exactly? Agriculture.
Yes, we are looking forward to agriculture as well as cyber.
Oh.
Yes, we are almost there.
Oh. And that's the big game, right?
Yeah.
Cyber.
Yeah, we are playing where the big guys are playing. We want to play with the big guys.
Yes, say less. And then with Coverlink Insurance, your unique selling point.
Yeah.
I just really need to appreciate that because you know why I feel like, goodness, man, you guys are plenty in the country. Heck, you guys are plenty in the whole world, right?
Yeah.
And you just need to wonder as a person, like, what's the one thing that's going to make me move from considering this insurance provider to this insurance provider? You know, and it's got to be unique selling points. Are you able to just share with me and my people what some of those unique selling points are?
Yes, I can point out a few, just two.
Yeah.
That is legal insurance as well as medical cash plan.
Oh.
Yes. Do you want me to go further?
Yeah, please.
Okay,
please.
let me, when you do legal insurance, it's clearly about legal representation.
Yeah.
You take cover, at a monthly premium or annual premium, whatever that you may choose, what is very comfortable for you.
Yeah.
And then at the end of when we have an issue, like when you have will to write, when you have legal representation, we have our lawyers, they can go represent you. And medical cash plan is going to provide cover for hospital stays. In the event of hospitalization, the medical cover is going to kick in. So this is it is paid according to the number of days hospitalized. So you don't necessarily have to be hospitalized at a private hospital or a government hospital.
Okay.
But the fact of the matter is you should be hospitalized.
Right.
Yeah, at the end of the day, you should be hospitalized, and we're going to pay you according to the number of days hospitalized.
Okay.
So we have the basic, which is 50 pula, right?
Okay.
50 pula is going to give you...
This is $50 per month.
Yeah, 50 pula per month.
Okay.
So 50 pula is going to give you 1,250 per day of hospitalization. So imagine if you are hospitalized for 10 days. All right. And then we have platinum, which is 280 pula per hospital stay. All right. So you're going to get 6,950 per hospitalization per day. So imagine if you are hospitalized for 10 days, that is going to be 69,000. Yeah, it's as easy as that. So this is what Coverlink is doing uniquely in the market.
Yeah.
Of course, there are other insurance which are offering the same product, but ours
in the market.
In the market, but the difference between us and the competition is that so now we do it at a higher benefit.
Okay.
And you can do it alone, or you can do it augmenting it with your any of the policies, or say for example your property or your motor insurance.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So with you said medical cash back.
Yes, medical cash plan.
Medical cash plan.
And the beauty about it is that at the end of 3 years, if you haven't claimed, we give you what is called the loyalty bonus. All right, that is calculated 10% of your annual premiums, and at the end of 5 years as well, we'll give you the no claim bonus. All right, and it's calculated 10% of your 5-year premiums. So even if you don't claim, even if you don't get hospitalized, you will at the end of the day, benefit from the cover.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So the hope is not to get sick and hospitalized, but should you, God forbid, get sick, you're still covered.
You're still covered.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, I was going to ask you about the competition because I think I've heard this pretty much almost everywhere now, how insurance companies are trying to, provide that. How many have you seen, without mentioning names, that are doing the same thing in the market?
I have seen one or two.
One or two.
The difference is that they offer it early and extension. All right. Now we offer it early, just a policy like that, or if you want, you can extend it on your motor or other properties, policies. So now we are not specific to say you need to have this particular product for the medical cash plan to kick in. You just specifically have to, have the medical cash plan, or you can augment it with other policies. So
That's
you're not
beautiful.
strict like that.
That is beautiful. Yeah, it should make for an easier process as well, getting into it and maybe claiming when it's a singular policy.
Yeah.
Right?
It's
How
very
about me, a 35-year-old guy?
Oh, so you're 35 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does that mean?
All right. No, I just wanted to know.
Yo.
I've known you for the longest, but I didn't know your age.
Yeah, do I look older or younger?
No, younger.
I look younger than 35?
Yeah.
What? Well, I guess. Thank you. I appreciate that. So I was going to say, as a 35-year-old single dad of 2 girls,
Okay.
right? How does the medical cash plan help me? On an individual level, I've already understood that part. But am I able to bring anyone under this policy who might be my daughter, who might be my mother, who might be my uncle? Tell me how that works.
Yes, you could be the policy holder, right?
Yes.
And take a policy for your children and your mom.
Okay.
Depending on the age of entry. If your mom is less than 75 years,
Right.
she can also join the policy.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can either choose to be the policy holder, or they can be the beneficiary. It depends really on how you want it tailor-made.
What is the best way? As a person who's been dealing with this, should I decide to get medical cash plan? What is the best way for me? A 35-year-old guy, his parents are still alive.
Yeah.
2 beautiful girls, and 3 amazing siblings.
Yeah.
Yeah. What would be the best for me?
It depends on your budget.
Oh, I'm bowling.
If you're bowling, then
I'm bowling.
You can take individual
Shut
policies
up,
for
guys.
them.
I could hear the intrusive thoughts. It's like, nah, he ain't bowling.
You can take individual policies for them.
Okay.
And then for your kids, you can take policies for your kids, and they're going to pay half the premium that you're going to be paying. For example, if you take
Legal challenges can come when you least expect them.
Whether it's a family dispute, a civil case, a criminal matter, or an issue at work, having the right support makes all the difference. Introducing legal insurance from Coverlink, your affordable legal lifeline when it matters most. From writing your will to standing by your side in court, we've got you covered. Coverlink Insurance. Protection beyond the expected. Confidence when it counts.
take the basic, which is 50 pula, they're going to pay 25 pula.
Oh.
Yes. So for your siblings, you can they can be the policy holders, and when you can be the payer. It depends really on your budget and how you want to structure it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very interesting thing.
Very, very interesting.
Look, for a lot of people, I think this might be one of your hardest cookie going forward, because it's a lot of people that I've noticed lately that are not doing so well health-wise.
Yeah.
Also, with things like COVID, you just never know when the next biggest thing that shuts the whole world and shuts your whole body is going to come around. You might need to actually be insured with a medical cash plan.
Most deaf.
I love that. Let's talk about claiming, right?
I saw that coming.
Claims.
What about claims?
So I wanna appreciate Coverlink's support, or how do you guys assist your policyholders with claims or even with policy management?
All right. Is the question based on the medical cash plan or the general
Just
insurance?
generally, yeah, really.
Yeah, like I said at the beginning of this conversation, I mentioned that we have partnered with a robust reinsurance in the market, locally and internationally. All right. So depending on the magnitude of the claim, we are able to pay the even bigger claims. All right.
Yeah.
We have a treaty in place. We also have a facultative insurance in place. So depending on the claim itself, we pay depending on that, depending on the treaty arrangement that we have as well.
Okay.
So. Yeah, we pay claims.
That's beautiful.
Our motto is just simple. Our vision is very simple.
Yeah.
We pay claims at Coverlink Insurance. We just pay claims.
So since the license for long term, okay, actually let's do when you're short term and when you're now long term. What's been sort of the claim rate there? Are people claiming a lot or not? What's it looking like so far at Coverlink Insurance?
Yeah, people are claiming, especially on the medical cash plan.
Oh.
Yeah. We have seen so many cases of medical cash
Goodness
plans.
gracious, yeah.
We pay claims every now and then.
Do you guys like that?
No, we do. It's a promise. It's our we are delivering the client's promise.
Yeah.
We said we will pay claims, and we are definitely honoring that. And the beauty about medical cash plan again is that it is done in house. It doesn't entertain the reinsurance, so it is faster and quicker. So and efficient. We have different systems which are very efficient. And to claim for a medical cash plan is very easy. You just need the doctor's note, when you were admitted and when you were discharged.
Oh.
Yeah, it's as simple as that.
Right.
So the day you were admitted and the day you were discharged, so we are able to determine the claim payout based on the number of days. I get.
Yes.
So if you are hospitalized for 8 years, we calculate your payout based on the 6 days that you have been hospitalized.
Yeah.
So it's as easy as that.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Have you actually ever been hospitalized?
Myself.
Yeah.
No. I was hospitalized for just for 1 day.
Yeah.
And I was given birth last year.
Oh wow!
Yes, just for a day.
You gave birth.
Yeah,
last
I
year?
have a baby.
How old is your birth?
1. She was 1.
She's 1.
Yeah.
Oh man, my girl is 9 months old.
Oh, 9 months old.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So what?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So yours is last year, which month?
Feb, 23rd Feb.
What?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
20th Feb.
Oh wow.
That's my goddaughter
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there. That's
I
why I
promise
should come
you.
around and bring some flowers and some
Most
gifts.
100%. I'll be
And
waiting
she's-
for such.
Yeah, I got you. February kids are, guys, I'm sorry to say this, but we're the best. February kids are
Yet
just...
to see. I'm yet to see
we're-
with my
we-
daughter.
Yeah, of course. She better not disappoint. Is she a Pisces?
She is.
She is a
Yeah.
Pisces, yeah. Look, come on. I mean, you've known me for a while now, right?
Yeah, I know.
And I'm the coolest guy there is in the whole world. So your daughter is in safe hands.
Yeah.
So just 1 day. Look at how God works, right?
Yeah.
Because I've seen people sick in the hospitals. And I've always thought, you think your life is hard. You think your life is terrible. Just show up in a hospital. That's when you see, you need to be really, really thankful for life and be grateful for, your blessings. What are some of the blessings do you think you want to count for me right now? What are you happy about? I'm sorry to deviate a little bit.
I want you to have money.
You want me to have money?
I want you to be financially stable.
Hey, I receive.
Fire!
I receive. Shindaram.
Receive!
I receive. I need that. I really need that.
Yeah.
And how about you? What are some of the things you thank God for right now?
Life.
Nah.
Life.
Nah.
Yeah, life.
That's the biggest. Yeah, I lost a sister in the law fraternity.
Sure.
Yeah.
The one that was short.
No. She had cancer.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Sorry, my condolences.
So very young attorney, hadn't even reached 26. So when stuff like that happens, you really learn to thank God for the gift of life, right?
I really want to leave.
Yeah.
I want to see that girl grow. I
Yeah.
want to see that girl become great.
Yeah.
I want to see her get married. I want to see her become what she really wants to be.
Right.
Yeah.
I love that.
That's
What's her
what I
name?
want to
What's
do.
her name again?
Gaia.
Gaia.
Gaia isn't sure.
Oh.
Yeah, direction.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the first time I'm hearing a name like that. The first time. Are there any
Unique.
Gaias in Botswana?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my daughter.
Yeah, this is the one and only. The one and only, for real. Oh, that's a beautiful name.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful name. Wow. Anyway, let's go back to Coverlink Insurance.
All right.
And everything is related anyway. I just like to tie life and life situations to the discussion that we're having. Clearly, when you're paying out claims, there's a process that is involved,
Of course.
you know? And some clients are not happy. Others, super happy. It just depends who they've met at the reception, met at the office, you know. I hope you guys have a great receptionist.
No, we do.
Because she's got to keep the...
She's so beautiful, by the way.
Yeah.
I think you've seen her.
I have.
Yeah.
I only forget
And
her
she
name.
ushered you to my office.
She was so happy to see me.
Yeah.
She's like, oh my God, I'm so happy to see you in person. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah.
You know, being well known is such an anxiety thing.
Uh-huh. Tell me about it.
It's crazy.
Okay.
Because then you walk into a place, you didn't know the person knows you. And they're so excited. Now you're like, hey, I hope I, you know, I don't know. It's a weird thing being well known, but she was delightful. She was an amazing soul.
Yeah, sure.
But what I say this to say is, what are some of the experiences, or what do your customers and clients say about the experiences when they claim their claims?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
They are happy with
Would you
our-
tell us if
I would.
You would?
I would.
Okay.
Yes, I would, definitely. But
Yeah.
so far, so good. They are so happy.
Yeah.
Because we simply pay claims. You know, that's what one of our vision's statements, you know, we want to pay claims.
Right.
We don't want our clients to suffer. I get like people. We want to change that narrative. You know, Ghana, the society believes that insurance is scam. We are only selling fear. We are not selling what we really preach. All right. So now we want to change that narrative. We want to teach them that no. At Coverlink, we are there for you. We got you covered. Getting you covered means you are going to pay you in the event of an eventuality.
I love that.
Yeah.
And so there should be some testimonials somewhere out there in the world about Coverlink Insurance and their claims and the processes, the people and the company in general. Are you able to share one of those testimonials? A great story from a client after having claimed.
All right. I can share a testimony for some lady.
Yeah.
You know, she was hospitalized for a number of days, like 10 days, and she got like her 69,000, right?
Okay.
She got her 69,000, and upon a full recovery, she started doing her own business.
Wow.
Now she's selling these products like your Tupperware,
Wow.
your Forever Living as well. So
Yeah.
she's making extra income. So that's the testimony I can give you right now.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful. I'm impressed, actually. I'm happy. So I'm her client. She once told me something.
Oh, you have become a client.
Now I'm a client. I'm supporting it.
Don't you just love it when life happens like that?
I love it. I love life, by the way.
Coverlink Insurance Company is now on Orange Money, allowing payment of insurance premiums directly from mobile phones. To complete a payment, simply dial *145# and follow the prompts by selecting option 4 for pay, followed by option 2 for insurance. Please note that you may need to select more options to view additional options before finally choosing option 30 for Coverlink Insurance.
So when things like that happen, I get so excited.
Yeah. Is there any other story, or we can move on?
No, we can move on.
We can move on.
Yeah.
Congratulations, by the way. I think
thank you
when
so
when
much.
stories like that happen, it's some sort of a return on investment, right?
Of course. most definitely.
It's a testament to how you have done this, hoping for this, and then it came through. Now I want to know, Refilwe,
Yeah.
like excellence at Coverlink Insurance is like at the top for you guys.
Yeah.
Right? But how do you ensure that you guys are giving out the best quality service provision to your clients and to your potential clients?
We have what you call quality control.
Ah,
Yes, we have quality control. So we ensure that at the end of the business closure, there is someone who can listen to the calls that have happened during the day.
Right.
You know, messages can go through the emails and see if things were done diligently. So this is what this is one of the systems that we have in place at Coverlink. So we check, TK, were you assisted?
Yeah.
Are you happy with our service?
Right.
So if you're not happy, you're able to talk about it and to assist you depending on how happy or unhappy you were.
I love that.
Yeah.
And it's an ongoing thing. It doesn't shut down.
No,
yes?
it's somebody's job. Someone is paid for that.
Yeah.
Someone is hired for that.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, someone's on payroll for that.
Yeah. So they can't sleep on the job.
No, they
with that
cannot.
one. So how do you guys treat feedback? Because I know for a few people, corporates, feedback sometimes after a while, they're just like, nah, it's the usual customers complaining about this. But at Coverlink Insurance, do you do it differently? How do you guys treat a customer saying, hey guys, I'm not happy about this? What's the first reaction and emotion?
No, we are a very emotionally intelligent team.
Right.
We don't take things personal,
Yeah.
right? If you complain about a particular service, we know that I cannot wake up in the morning to come and give you a substandard thing. It is not our nature. It is not in our DNA.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if something like that happens, we gather together and try to make sure that we solve the problem
Right.
immediately.
Right
Yeah,
then and
we
there.
want to leave you. We want to see you smile at the end of it all.
Satisfied.
We want to see you satisfied.
I love
Because
that.
service is what is going to sell you, as a business. People will know you because of what you are selling. People will know you because of how you are servicing them, all right? So if you are not happy, obviously you're going to tell your friend that, I'm not happy at Coverlink. They didn't treat me well, so I'm not going to do that. And he's going to tell his friend that, not Coverlink. But if you were happily serviced, if you are satisfied, it's very easy to do marketing indirectly.
True.
So this is
Word of mouth just goes around.
You don't need
hellfire.
money to fund
No
anything,
flyers, no
nothing.
billboards. Just it's walking billboards.
Yeah, most def.
I love that.
Yeah.
I had a question. I don't know where it went, so I'm going to replace it with a question about your intention to partner with the Juice 2.0. What were you hoping to do with this? Actually, with this episode and possibly more episodes that are going to come, what are you hoping to achieve with this?
Okay. We want to ride on your numbers.
Right.
Because you are my friend, so
Yeah.
you should support me as well.
Yeah, for sure.
So I know that you are a people's person. So you want visibility. We
Right,
want
right.
people to know who we are through you. We want people to understand our brand and to understand insurance through us.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is the purpose of our partnership.
For a lot of people, in your businesses, and I saw you at Gabs FM.
Thank you.
That was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then you guys started doing this social media thing that you're doing. And
Yeah.
I had never really seen the traffic on social media platforms compared to now, And there was a clip, obviously, from the Gabs FM radio show. They put the audio there, and then you put your Coverlink flyer or picture, whatever that was. And it's your voice throughout that clip. And I thought, oh my goodness, you guys are on a steroid type of campaign to push this thing. Why is that so important for you guys to do? And thank you for believing in podcasts, by the way.
All right.
Because most people would have just done radio, and no shame for radio. Radio is a beautiful platform. But you also decided, look, there's another platform where younger generations who might not even be listening to radio, or whoever it is possibly, are still just also, linked in and locked in through podcasts. But yeah, why was it important for you guys to do that? Because you're pushing on social media.
No, we're trying. We promised each other that this year it's going to be a different ball game altogether.
Right.
We want the people to know us. The people must know the brand.
Right.
The people must know Coverlink as an insurance underwriter, not as an insurance broker. Yeah, all right? Because we've been riding on the Coverlink brokerage for a very long time. So this year we're saying, you know what? You want to be seen everywhere, independently as a Coverlink insurance underwriter. And we want these beautiful products to be known. The world should know about these beautiful products.
That's
So
lovely.
basically, that's why the aggression now.
Yeah. That's the word I was looking for.
Yeah.
You guys are very aggressive with it, and it's showing.
All right.
And so I pray that it does what it's supposed to do: land on the right people, land on the right businesses,
That's our prayer as
right?
well. Yeah.
Land on the other organizations that. Actually, speaking of, are you guys partnering with any local businesses or organizations at all?
We have partnered with over 50 business ranging from telecommunications.
Wow.
Yes, our broking distributions, corporates. We partner.
Yeah.
We tap each and every market. We tap the untapped market.
That's
We
beautiful.
sell everything to the people with different income levels.
And then CSI,
Yeah.
community community. Because look, it's great to make great. Hey, English.
English is not your mother. So how am I going to do it if you don't?
The bundles just finished today. Look, so for me, I think I need to go get checked. I might have ADHD. What is that? Yes. Because I have a lot of things happening. So organizing them to come here one by one is always like because I'm a smart kid.
You are.
But everything else just,
Yes,
you know, it's happening.
No,
in my
relax.
head.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen to you.
Oh, wow. Relax.
Just chill. You killed me with that. It's like, just take it easy, you know?
Yeah, chill.
But CSI is such an important thing.
It is.
Most people are in it for the money, but wouldn't it be great to make money and still service the environment that you're making money from, you know?
Yeah. No, we have a lot coupled.
Okay.
You know, we have a couple of community projects that we're going to do before the end of this year.
Right.
Yeah, all right. Just trust the process.
The process.
Yeah, it's going to happen. I could always be there.
Yeah, for sure.
Anyway, to televise everything.
For sure. We're gonna tell the stories and make sure that everybody. But how was it at Gabs FM? Tell me about your time at Gabs
It
FM.
was so beautiful.
Yeah.
It was actually my first time on radio.
Oh.
I loved every part of it, but the time was too short.
Yeah. You guys
I
had
thought
what?
it was
15,
too short.
10 minutes.
It was supposed to be an hour. Yes, but because it was me and my colleagues, so we were talking about everything and anything. Yeah.
That was beautiful. And then this is also your first time on a podcast.
Most def.
First time.
Like first time.
Hey. Guys, she's buying a bottle of champagne after this to celebrate.
No, you guys should buy me.
Why?
Oh, by the way, I don't drink alcohol anymore.
Oh, good for
Yes,
you.
yes,
More
yes.
for us, right?
I'm a teetotaler. What do you say? Teetotaler?
I wouldn't know. But congratulations, man.
Thank you so much.
If you made it for the first time in your life on a podcast and it's the Juice 2.0 podcast, hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
This is my first time.
Well, first times are great. First
Yeah.
times. So now I need you to paint the picture for me and for everyone that's watching that's part of the Juice 2.0 family. What does it look like for Coverlink Insurance going forward? We're talking 2 years, we're talking 5 years, we're talking 10 years. You've become a long-term insurer now. What's it looking like?
No, we're here for good.
Yeah.
We are here for good. Check us next year.
Yeah.
We'll be top 5.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's how ambitious we are.
Top 5?
Top 5 in Botswana. We'll be top 5 in Botswana, yes! Yes!
Did you say top 5?
Yes, I did.
Do you know who you guys are going against, though?
I know.
And I'm not even saying
I
this.
worked as a broker for 13 years, remember? So I've worked with these people that you're talking about.
These are your people?
These are my people. I don't call them competition.
Right.
We collaborate, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, yeah, I know how they operate, and they know how I operate. So yeah, it's possible that we could be top 5 next year.
You know, there's a name.
You know, if you pay claims, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
so if you pay claims, you can never go wrong.
So, you know, when I came to your office the first time, you mentioned a name there that obviously we will not mention. And you're like, you know what? By next year, we're going to be doing more than these guys.
Most have.
I'm
I was
like-
so damn for real. We are going to do more than these people because we have capacity.
So capacity is
We
there.
have capacity. We have resources. We have
Resources.
everything. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
we have systems in place. We have capacity. We have everything that these people are having. So what can't we move forward? What is going to stop us to becoming what we want to be? So we are top 5 next year. Period.
Top 5.
Yes.
I learned something last night, Refile, called failure pre-mortem. Right?
Okay.
You know what you and I are used to is the post-mortem. Right? When a person dies, there's an autopsy. They tell this is how they died. Blah blah blah. Last night I learned there's something called failure pre-mortem. So what basically that means is that as a business or as a person that's trying to get into something, you list the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that if you look back for 5 years, you would say, I failed because of these things. Or you sort of prepare yourself, you say, if there's only one way I'm going to fail on this thing, is because I would not have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're failing before you start, and so you start catering or just like making sure that these things that would make you fail, you don't fail at them. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So an example would be for Coverlink Insurance, your failure pre-mortem would be, if we're ever going to fail, God forbid, it will be because of whack customer service. So then you tick that off. You're like, okay, we're going to have to work on this. If we're ever going to fail, it's because we're really slow at giving people their claims. You nip it in the butt. Do you ever think on these levels? I was mind blown. I was like, oh my goodness, this is such a great thing to do as a podcast.
Yeah.
In 5 years, if I'm ever going to fail, it's because I was probably lazy or not paying my guys on time. You know what I mean? So yeah, like you're looking at it and you're nipping in the bud, like because you want to succeed in 5 years. Let's freaking, make sure that everything that would make us fail.
Life can get complicated, but your legal protection doesn't have to be. Legal insurance is protection for life's everyday legal needs. Some common example situations: drafting contracts, settling disputes, or seeking advice after unexpected events. With Coverlink Legal Insurance, you'll always have access to expert legal guidance without the stress of high legal fees. Because peace of mind should be part of your everyday protection.
Is proper. Right. What do you think about that?
No, it's a very good, beautiful concept.
Yeah.
We learn from our mistakes, right?
For
and
sure.
And also learn from other people's mistakes.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So if, these two variables that you've just mentioned,
Yeah.
these are the only tools that can make you fail or succeed in a business of insurance.
Right.
So if you don't pay claims, people won't even come and take the policy. If your customer service is work, people won't even try to associate with you. These are the only variables that could make the business go down.
Definitely.
So as a business, we are not going to allow that. And like I'm saying, we have a quality control system. That is someone who is on the payroll. That checks on all the calls, emails, and everything.
I need to meet this
Now you
guy.
wouldn't even know.
Yeah.
You wouldn't even know that you messed up.
Wow.
But the system will show through that person who is on the payroll.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
So for a lot of insurers that I've seen, I'm about to let you go, by the way. Okay. A lot of insurers that I've seen, they have foot soldiers,
Mm-hmm.
They're there in the bus rank, they're there at Rail Park, in the field, at Game City, Airport Junction.
Yeah.
Sorry. The moment you, oh, God bless those people, man. They really be working so hard. Does Coverlink Insurance have that? Do you see any importance of having that at all? What do you make of some of that?
We have agents, right?
Yes.
We have agents. We have broker distributors.
Right.
So they are doing that on our behalf.
Awesome.
I think you'll see plenty of us. More Rail Park.
Okay.
We have partnered with another insurance company that is doing the informal sector. So yeah, we will be having our store there. And the agents will be going around wearing the t-shirts, the Coverlink brand, and doing what we do best.
I love that.
So yeah, we are there. Don't worry.
Am I gonna get a T-shirt anytime?
You actually have a t-shirt.
I do.
You forgot to bring it with.
Okay. So tomorrow, my man. I mean Monday. Monday, I'm like, is she throwing you under the bus?
No, he was actually talking about you and the t-shirt earlier.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'll come collect. Come collect. There's one thing that I need to discuss with you before I let you go, man.
Okay.
There's a embassy partnership sort of thing that I saw on your status at some point, and I was like, oh my goodness, you guys are newbies and fresh kids on the block, and these amazing, hugely humongous things are happening.
Yeah.
How did that come about? What is it, and what benefit does it have to a Botswana who's listening?
Okay, this is the embassy for Zimbabwe, right?
Okay.
We are targeting the Zimbabwean market in Botswana.
Hey, Ribanzi, ne?
Lebanese. So now you see why I'm saying we are going to be top 5 next year.
Right.
Yeah, because we tap on the untapped market. Yeah. So the embassy is there to facilitate everything. So these people that you see, now the embassy, I don't know how to phrase this,
right.
but the embassy is targeting we are using the embassy to target the Zimbabweans in Botswana, correct? And that we are giving them these covers, at a discount.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So that's what Coverlink does, because Coverlink is also in Zimbabwe. It's actually big in Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Yeah. So if they are in Zimbabwe as big as they are, so they are also is going to be big in Botswana as well.
Yeah.
Through these partnerships.
These partnerships.
Yes.
Yeah. I believe that with the embassy getting involved in roping itself in, it definitely, because there would have been a conflict, right? So that means it's just you, this insurance provider, no one else.
Yes,
because I don't see them doing it for like 2-3 insurers at a go, right?
Yeah, it's just us.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congrats, man.
Thank you so much.
You guys are. I think 5 years is like too far a dream.
It's very far.
2 years. 2 years, you guys would have been messing things up in
I'm
Bots.
telling you. I'm telling you.
Okay, so how do people get started with Coverlink insurance? That's the most important thing, right? What is the process? What's the first thing to do? Where to go? What do they need to produce? What age should they be? Blah. Just let us know if I need to come and get a policy with Coverlink insurance. What should I do?
Okay. We have different platforms.
Okay.
All right. You don't necessarily have to come to the office if you don't wish to come.
Right.
Like I'm saying, we are dotted everywhere.
Right.
Yeah. We're everywhere in Botswana. We have satellite offices in Botswana. If you want to physically go to the office,
Yes.
you can go to the office nearest wherever you are.
Okay.
And also we have our digital platforms. So you can do, you can make a call. I can quote for you over the telephone.
Right,
And I
right,
can give you a policy document here and there.
Yeah.
So we have systems, intelligent systems, smart systems that can calculate your premium there and there. So we have to make sure that we are aligned with the regulatory acts, your Insurance Act, your Financial Intelligence Act, your Data Protection Act,
Right,
and so
right,
forth.
right.
Yeah. So if you want to come physically to the headquarters, you can simply come to the CBD office, and it's by the Central Square,
Yeah.
second office, second floor.
Yeah.
So this
Beautiful
is basically-
office. Great coffee. Oh. Mwah. It's amazing. I could have stayed there, but I was just too ashamed. I was like, yeah, let me get out of here. But
Yeah.
Refilwe, you are amazing. I see why you're the general manager, man.
All right.
I see why.
I have
'Cause
ambition.
You're ambitious. You're articulating yourself very well. And most importantly, you're representing the brand the best way it needs to be
Thank you so
represented.
much.
You know what I
Thank
mean?
you so much.
Without taking too much away, what are some of your last words?
All right. People mustn't look at insurance as a psychological paradox.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
They must take it as a financial buffer between you and that predicament.
Yeah.
Because you'll be paying these monthly premiums, right, or annual premiums, and thinking that it's a lot of money, but the cost of having that is just too high. So just have your insurance, and you see what it's nothing. Or if you claim, then you can always get. I don't know how to say this. Yeah, but you need to see it not as a cost to take these annual premiums or monthly premiums.
Yeah.
Just take the right cover, take the appropriate cover,
Yeah.
and see what is going to happen in the event of loss.
In the event of loss.
Yes.
I love that, because you and I are Christians, right?
Yeah.
And you and I come from a church where we're taught anticipate evil, right? You remember that teaching, right? Shout out, Christ Embassy. Putting it out there, Yeah. So I've never forgotten that lesson. Like, you cannot go about life as a human being and not anticipate evil. It will happen.
Most times.
And it doesn't mean God is not there. But what should you do then if evil strikes your property? Evil strikes, God forbid, your children with their health. God forbid something strikes your house or your business. You know what I mean? You should anticipate it and therefore make a move to cover these things prior to them happening.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, I took you off with that church thing, huh? It's like, hey.
I just don't understand why you're talking about church right now.
It's a conversation. I told you these things would happen. Oh, you haven't been to church in a while?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
It's like, I can see
It's
we're
a
not.
bad thing.
I can
You're
feel.
trying to expose me.
I can feel your heart say, TK. No. So I guess one of these days you and I are going back to church. I think I can hear God calling me though.
Oh, nice.
So, dude, we have had a great time. I can't believe we're running out of time.
Yeah.
But just we laughed. We spoke about Coverlink Insurance, what it is, your clients, your claims, your CSI, a lot of things. But if you are to, give your listeners now and your audience, one thing, two things, three things to take away from this conversation, what would it be?
All right. The people must understand that insurance is not a psychological paradox.
Right.
All right. They should all put in their heads and their minds that insurance is a financial buffer between now and the eventuality.
Right.
These little premiums that you think are extra at the end of the month.
Yeah.
They are nothing compared to the cost that you will endure if you didn't take insurance at all. So it's very important to, remember insurance as well is to take you back to your financial position, all right?
Yes.
To give you peace of mind. So it has to act as a financial buffer. You have been taken back to your financial position before that loss has happened.
That loss, right.
Yeah.
Right. And that's where you guys step in.
That's where we step in.
I love that.
Yeah.
I really love
We also
that.
want you to take our responsibility. Yeah. Take
And
responsibility.
your premiums, when we were starting, you had said you guys are affordable, right? Because that's very major.
Yeah.
I think most people that want to join insurance, they always have to check, like, is it affordable? Is it expensive? Is it... So you did say that it's affordable.
It is very affordable.
Yeah.
Like I said, we meet you at your point of need, right? So we tailor make the solutions for you so that they are not expensive. And we do these trainings so that you know what you are insured. We're trying to close the gap between the insured and insurance and what value insurance put on you. So you are tailor making them for your own benefit.
Yeah.
So that you don't feel that they are expensive. Like, for example, we have augmented, there's motor insurance as well as the medical cash plan.
Right.
So what happens is that you pay, you take the motor, whether it's commercial or whether it's individual, right? And then we put in the medical cash plan.
Right.
So let me give you a live scenario right now.
Yeah.
So in the event of an accident, it happens that, God forbid, you are hospitalized for a number of days. Whilst your car is being fixed there, when you are recuperating at the hospital, you accumulate a number of days. So you're going to pay you according to the number of days hospitalized. And, if you could check, the recovery is very, very faster.
Right.
The recovery is very faster because, you are there knowing that at least medical aid is going to cover the expenses and all of those.
Yeah, you're not in your head too much,
exactly.
Right.
So
right.
medical aid, right, is going to pay the bills and medication, and then the medical cash plan is going to give you cash.
Wow.
Yes, and you get discharged, and then you get to enjoy your cash, and your car has been fixed as well. So this is what I'm saying. We are
like
taking
a
you back.
two-edged sword. Yeah.
Exactly. So that's one thing about us.
Beautiful.
Yeah, simple as that. So we tailor make these products for you to
Yeah.
meet you at your point of need. Wherever you are. Okay, I'm TK. I want to augment the homeowners, my property with the legal.
Plenty of properties,
Yes.
by the way.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Because you're going to be rich. I
Yes,
understand.
I am. Yeah.
Yeah. Your power of the tongue. So in the event of that what do you call that fortune and misfortune and everything in between, Coverlink will be there to back you up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Guys, yeah. That was beautiful. Thank you so much. Is there anything else that you feel they need to know? Because that was a lot, and I'm pretty sure for a lot of other things, they can always come to your office as well. Yes.
Yeah.
And some phone numbers are here and emails, but we'll also make sure that the flyers that we're putting on the episode will show all the information of how they can get a hold of you.
Most definitely.
Right?
Yeah. Thank you so much. You can always call us.
Yeah.
Even now you can call me.
Right.
I can take your call and do a quotation for you.
Wow.
We are flexible. We work day in, day out. Even in weekends we work.
Beautiful.
We're always on standby for anything that could arise.
I love it.
So just give us a call and get your life sorted right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. Brand new kid on the block. Coverlink Insurance is in the building. And all that information was just for you to know who they are and how you can get yourself covered. So on the count of 3, when I'm letting you go, we'll say Coverlink Insurance, we've got you covered. Okay?
All right.
I'll do Coverlink Insurance, and then you say,
We've got you covered. All right.
Okay. So until the next time, you guys and I have another guest, obviously sponsored by Coverlink Insurance. Hallelujah, Jesus. Hallelujah. It's been amazing. And I need you to do one thing for me out of everything you could ever possibly do. Stay juicy. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Coverlink Insurance.
We've got you
covered.